Now, it recommended changing the oil after the first gallon of fuel, but I literally ran this thing for 15 or 20 minutes and I powered a 5000 BTU air conditioner, and you can just see the metal shavings in it. So I had taken a flashlight and looked down in there and you could just see the flakes, and I couldn't just see myself leaving that in there for another 8 or 9 hours. It just didn't make sense to me. So I went ahead and changed it, like I said, at the first 20-minute interval, and it's hard to see, but there's just so many metal flakes in there, it's crazy. And it's only, you know, a half a quart of oil. So, I mean, for $2, $1.50, why not change it?